National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jefferson County and east central Ohio, northwestern Washington County and southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, Hancock County in northern
It's getting way darker out there.
near Wellsville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages.
And my mom's Radio
Locations
Shack
impacted include
went
Whitton,
off too.
East Liverpool, Toronto, Ovioville, Midland, Chester, Industry, New Cumberland, Shippingport, Newell, South Heights, New Manchester. This includes Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 46 and 48.
Mom's getting the same
Move
thing
to an
too,
interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
because she's working at
Please
Gecko.
report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS
There we
Pittsburgh.
go. And I just got it on my phone. Another one! Wow! 2 in a row! Holy crap! This is gonna be my best capture!
Weather Bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, southern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, until 5 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Monaca,
Yeah.
moving east at 55 miles
Savage
per hour.
Gamer.
Hazard, wind gusts to 60
Got
miles
a
per
doubleheader
hour.
too.
Source, radar.
Yes!
Impact, expect
What is
damage
a
to
triple
trees
header?
and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include McCandless Township, Cranberry,
Oh, McCandless
Butler,
got
Franklin
it.
Park, Aliquippa, Monaca, Hampton Township, Harrison Township, Economy, Ambridge, Wexford, Homaker, Lindora. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 20 and 38.
This is the best capture
Interstate
so
79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 72 and 87. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 35 and 48. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
And it's off.